So all of that I'm getting out, all of this, and it's even more dire now than before because everything is getting green. Everything is getting fresh in the morning. Ras Ali grows fresh in the morning. See the man. Go on, people. Blessings, greetings. Clean up time. New growth. Once local water come in, new growth in what we want it. And also new growth in what we don't want it. So we have grass now coming up everywhere. Clean up time. Yeah man, greetings one and all earth lovers. Ras Ali Grows here again. Just giving you a little view of what has been taking place since we had some shower a couple weeks ago. Total greenery. All the areas that looked as if they were sprayed are now green. I've basically started to do a little bit of cleaning by hand around these plants, but generally speaking, I'm going to have to do a thorough cleaning. And this goes all the way over to the other section. Alright, you can see it's basically just green. And my intention is to have this section over here all the way over to where that mango tree is there with the new fresh growth, all the way over there. I'm cleaning to that section because I want to put some okra all the way through to meet with the section that I was just at, which is where I have the new watermelon planting and bananas. This is a platform I built about a year ago. It wasn't completed. I was thinking of building somewhat of a tree cottage, but I got busy. I definitely believe that the structural strength of the wood that I use for the base, those are good, but I think the decking part of it will definitely have to be changed. Alright, so I'll be getting back to that. So all of that I'm getting out, all of this, and it's even more dire now than before because everything is getting green. Everything is getting green. Hey, what are you doing there? See that? See that them thing they're gonna hide up down in the bush there. And I see it. So that's a view of what's happening in terms of the greenway. Um, Gotten a little bit busy, and it has affected my ability to put out new videos. But I'm still here, and as I said before, I do things the way I do things, and I'll change it for better once I see it. But once once a change cannot be made due to certain complications, then I don't make it sweat. I don't sweat it. See me? Yeah, I don't sweat it. So this is where we're at. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ras Ali Rose. Fresh in the morning, you know.